Welcome, Saw Logs Plastic Hubs, Jim Dedman. Hope you enjoyed today's video that I put together for you. We're always doing something interesting here in the shop. Stick around, watch the video, enjoy, comment. Thank you. Harold says that all projects begin on the bandsaw. Well, this morning I've been working on like 3 projects, so I didn't exactly begin on the bandsaw. I'm going to go ahead and start on my Mini Pallet today. I don't know how much I'm going to go ahead and at least lay it out. I'm going to make mine, this is a 5-inch piece, about a 1/4 inch thick of aluminum, which I think will be thick enough for what I want. I've got some half, but I just decided I'd had this for a while. So I'm thinking I'm going to use a 1/4 piece, or a little over a 1/4. It might be about 3/8, but it's thinner, a little thinner, but it'll be fine. And so what I'm going to start out by doing is I'm not wanting this thing to be precise, so I'm sawing it to 8 inches long. And what that'll do is with the 6-inch vise, it'll give you 1 inch on each side of the vise to be able to lay this in the vise. And that's the plan. So we're sawing on this today, and this is another thing for the slop. We're pig feeding. Drilled the first one, and just to see how everything's going to work here. And so what we're going to do is I'm going 1-inch spacing. So I'm going to do a row at a time. So now I need to go to basically 2 inches. Oh, here, unlocked the wrong one. And we'll drill the next one. So that's what we're planning on. We're going for basically 2-inch spacing on this plate. So all right. Now what I found out with my mill, come on, crank this thing up a little bit. And put a little lube on her. I'm trying to find a speed that'll work good, and I'm trying about 120, 30 RPM, just so that I won't be going so fast when I hit the tappet. If that ain't slick, I ain't never seen slick right there. I'm just going to position to the next hole and keep going. All right, here's some more. You see I've got 3 rows done. One of the biggest challenges that I'm having with this is, again, with the room, with this chuck, is keeping the chuck tight enough to pull the tap out backwards. So we lay everything out. And so that's what we're doing. We're on the 4th row. There will be, with this plate, there will actually be 7 rows. And these are lined up in a 1-inch square pattern. So you're looking at a 6-inch. So you got 4 this way and 7 that way. There's no need to lay it out once I checked and figured it. It's DRO them. A lot simpler. So I mean, they're going to be within as close as you're going to hit a mark. I mean, Excuse me, I didn't turn it back forward, just let it run. So I'm still running somewhere about 150, so well, you could drill faster. Problem would be, that tap's going to run down in there a lot quicker. In case you were wondering, this is that tap I picked up at the auto fair, and there we go. I'll bring you back later. This is pretty straightforward. I'll bring you back. Let's see how this last row does. I have been having some trouble the whole time with this. Sometimes the tap spinning loose on the wrench, on the chuck. So I've tried several different things. So the last little bit I've went up a little bit on my RPM. By the way, I haven't mentioned it, but the coolant that I'm using is basically what I like to use on aluminum. It's diesel fuel with just a bit of cutting oil. It's what I'm using for a lubricant. So, well, I'll stop a second. Let's go it the right way. It helps. So we bumped it up to about 175 on the drill speed, which is way slow for a drill, but awful quick to tap with. You really got to pay attention, and that's. We don't want to, like with 2 holes or so to go, to break a tap. We're just on the last few right now, and I'm just doing what I'm basically. You could do this either way. I just chose to do it this way. You could do it long. You could do long ways and go back and forth. It's one of those things that just don't make no difference. So we'll see. Get a little more coolant on it. There we go. One more to go. And then we'll have the whole field tapped out onto my little mini pallet. So, today we've been working on mainly the toolbox and the mini pallet. I may save this, I got to make clamps, and I ain't got that figured out yet because I ain't got no clamp material. I might have to get some. I might have to go study up on what I want for my clamps. I know kind of what I want, but I don't know. I gotta find, I probably need. There we go. That's the last one of that. Now this could use a deburr, which I'm going to deburr it, and so there we are. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put me a welding in, lay it down on the drill press, and knock them right out. I got my little drill press out because I like it just a little better for this, or my little bench one. So what I done is I set a stop. Thought I set a stop, I don't know about that. Oh yeah, got a stop set. So it's just a simple matter of putting a little deburr in there and roll her down to the stop and be done. This way that's one side, and here's the other. Quick setup, don't take no time, no guesswork. Need something consistent. I done the breakthrough side first so it would set flat. So you're gonna probably fly cut this thing before you use it a lot. Or I know I am. Just enough to clean it up, to kiss it. So when I, get ready to really mill something I really need it for, so there we go. One, that's the base of the mini pallet, knocked right out. Thank you for watching today's video. This is Jim. This, by the way, I will remind you, this is a copyrighted production of James Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, for your personal enjoyment here on YouTube. The other thing I want to do is quickly thank everybody that's out here, that's visited my channel, that views, that comments. Our channel is growing thanks to you, and I want to send you a sincere thanks. Thank you, and have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.